Hello everybody, this is for the auction on this 8925 AT&T TILT Windows Mobile 6.1 phone. It has an upgraded operating system and it is fully unlocked for any carrier, so you can use any SIM card in it. I wanted to put this video up just to explain a little bit about it and why it would be something that you would like. Mainly with older Windows Mobile phones, it's been real small interface, more stylus based. This is actually designed more for your thumb or your fingertip for ease of use. So I'm going to go through it with you and just to show you a little bit about it. Basically, this is going to be your home screen. It'll have your time, call history, missed calls, whether or not you have voicemails, and any upcoming appointments that you might have. It'll tell you your next one. You can also access your alarm and other things from right here as well. If you scroll over one, you'll find the people or contacts feature, and you can add pictures of anyone you call a lot, and you can access them easily from here, and you can scroll through them much like the iPhone, with your finger or thumb. Okay, you go over one. It's going to be your program setting. There's a lot of programs preloaded in here, all very useful, all things that you could use. It also comes with some games and things that you could like. You can go through them like that, and you can also add shortcuts to customize your menu. If you go over one more, you'll have your messaging. The cool thing about this is you can go up and down and scroll through it in sequence as you got them. And that's really useful if you're on the go and you're just trying to flip through and not go through all the Windows Mobile based little buttons through the texting. If you go over one, you will have your email. It's the same concept as the texting. You can scroll through them just by flicking. If you go over one, this is where you can access your internet browsing. This phone does come with Safari. Safari is going to be an upgraded web browser. It's a lot better than Internet Explorer. It's much like the iPhone. You can kind of scroll around with your finger, do actions to zoom in and zoom out, just to make it a lot easier to use on a PDA. Alright, if you go over one more, this is where you can find your media, pictures, and videos. And you can kind of flick through them as well, and that's pretty cool because you don't have to open up your album. So that would be where you would access your photos and videos. You go over one more, you got the music feature. If you got an album cover loaded, it'll show it. And if you want to change tracks, you can flick through them. And it has a shuffle and repeat feature, of course. Down here you can access your actual library. This is much like the iPhone. You can kind of just thumb through it, pick what you want. If you want a song, put it on, it'll play it. Or you can do it from right here and just hit play and flick through. Okay, and I really like that a lot about this phone. Okay, if you go over one more time, you will find a weather option. You can upload your city. If you have a data connection, it'll tell you your current temperature, whether it's going to be cloudy over the next week. You can find out whatever you need. You go over one more, you will have all your settings, access your Wi-Fi, change your wallpaper, sync up to your computer. This is where you can do it all from. And that's pretty much an overview of the interface in the phone. To tell you everything about it, I'd need a lot longer video, but you can explore it all when you receive it, and it's very cool, and I think you'll like it a lot. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and happy eBaying.